Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to get the Windows 10 May 2021 update. Or you can say how to update Windows 10 into the latest version 21H1. The May 2021 update is available initially to select devices running Windows 10 version 2004 or later who are interested in experiencing the latest feature updates and are ready to install this release on their device. So let's start. So first of all, open the Windows setting using Ctrl+I keys. Now here go to the update and security. And here select check for updates. If the update appears, you can simply select download and install to get started. Devices running either Windows 10 version 2004 or version 20H2 will have a fast overall update experience because the update will install like a monthly update. Once the download is complete and the update is ready to install, you have to reboot your device, ensuring that the update does not disrupt your activities. After rebooting the system, you can check your system is up to date. And you can check the installed version of your Windows 10. So that is it. This is the way how to update Windows 10 version 20H2 into the 21H1 version. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.